don't color boat like that without one. Might not even go on.
Oh, there he is. I saw his shadow.
What is it, a skate?
No.
Looks big enough for a skate.
Barracuda.
Barracuda.
Oh, is it?
Nice and slow. Come on, slow. Pissed off that one.
There he is. Oh, a nice one.
He's not a little one. That's a nice size barracuda. These are all spawning fish. They're real big. They're only here a couple weeks of the year, laying their eggs, and they leave. They got teeth and they got a lot of hooks on them. And they think they're crazy. Be careful.
Woo.
I don't want to see anybody get this.
Woo.
Very nasty fish.
Big
Right
egg.
Beautiful animal.
Oh, look at this guy.
Nice and slow. When you lift, it's real slow, like he doesn't know what's going on. Look at sizing him.
Look at him.
Wow.
Son of a bitch.
There he is. I was looking. Slow. Very slow. Wind down. Go when he's going. You don't want to come in the boat yet. You know, no part of him. Don't run. No one's got gapping or anything. He's stuck his head down. They know what's going on. Look, real slow. Got him. Oh, he got away.
Look at this guy.
Stop, don't worry, don't worry.
Look at this guy.
Whoa. Monster.